This is a GE GSH25JSTA SS side-by-side refrigerator. And a little while ago, I broke one of these clips on the freezer. That's just a scratch there, not a crack. The original clip looked like that. It's held the shelf in place. Must have overloaded the freezer at some point, so it broke off. Now, I had originally just tried to take this piece and drilled a hole in it and used a screw, a short screw, to kind of hold in there and, you know, repurpose it like that, but it just really didn't hold very well. This is a hollow wall just filled with foam, and the foam doesn't provide much purchase for your screw. What I did notice is down at the bottom you've got a spare set of shelf racks, and the freezer only comes with 4 racks, but you got 5 positions. So I just want to take one of those out and move it up here rather than spend the $5 to get another clip from GE. These things are kind of a trick to get out, and I didn't see any other videos on YouTube on how to do it, so I thought I would just post this real quick. The way these install, after studying the part online, is there's a little kind of a hook mechanism on the back side that kind of curls in that way and locks against the top. So what you need to do is pry the bottom out. I've already loosened it a little bit just to make sure it's going to work without breaking it. But what I do is I just take a putty knife and you wedge up under here like that. You're going to have to do more than that. Like I said, I've already loosened this one, but you just pry until you get a little space right there. You're not going to get much, and it's still not going to budge. The next thing you got to do is get a hammer and use the pry part of the hammer, the claw, and get up under there, and it'll pop right out. So you get right under there, and you pry out like that. And so now you can see what I'm talking about. This hook part goes in the hole and locks against the back side and pulls in. So now all I got to do is reverse the procedure there. Put this back in there. Well, I can't do it with one hand. Maybe I can. I'll get that in there, and I got a proper shelf mount. Otherwise, pay GE their $5 and you're gonna have a brand new one. So I'm back. I didn't lie. I just needed both hands to wedge that in there. It didn't quite go back flush. That's probably because I messed up the internal foam with that screw. But if you just pull out the old one, replacement on it, just go right in. But this is going to work fine, so all good. Save $5 plus ship.